Are you looking to set up an affiliate program with TeamGate CRM, but not sure where to start? In this quick guide, we'll break down how to do just that, while also taking a look at TeamGate CRM and how it stacks up against other tools you might consider. Stick around till the end, and I'll also share an exclusive, extended free trial just for our viewers. First things first, TeamGate CRM is designed to help small to medium-sized businesses streamline their sales processes and improve customer relationships. It's packed with features like contact management, sales pipeline tracking, and integrations with other apps, which makes it a solid option for affiliate marketers looking to scale their operations. But can you really use TeamGate to set up a full-fledged affiliate program? Let's dive in. Next thing, setting up an affiliate program in TeamGate CRM. While the platform doesn't have a built-in affiliate management feature like some others, it can still be used to manage affiliates with a bit of creativity. You'll need to track affiliates manually within the CRM by creating custom fields for tracking commission rates, sales, and other relevant data. You can also set up workflows to trigger notifications whenever a sale is made, so you don't miss any action. Now, here's the tricky part. TeamGate's lack of dedicated affiliate program features means that you'll need third-party integrations or tools to make it work smoothly. You might be looking at platforms like Zapier or an additional plugin to create more sophisticated tracking and payouts. While this can work for smaller operations, it may become cumbersome as your affiliate network grows. Next thing, the CRM does offer a few nice integrations with popular tools, but compared to others on the market, its affiliate program management capabilities are limited. There are better solutions out there, like Referral Candy or Post Affiliate Pro, that offer dedicated affiliate management, tracking, and reporting tools that integrate seamlessly with other CRMs. These platforms are specifically designed for affiliate marketers and can save you a lot of time and effort in the long run. The fourth thing, you'll also want to consider the support you'll get when building your affiliate program. TeamGate offers customer support via email and chat, but if you're using third-party integrations, you may find yourself jumping between several support teams to get everything working. In contrast, affiliate management platforms are built to offer direct support for affiliate program setups and issues. But here's the deal, while TeamGate CRM is a solid choice for managing relationships and sales pipelines, when it comes to setting up a fully functional affiliate program, there are better, more specialized tools. That's why I'm going to give you access to a better solution, along with an exclusive extended free trial. At the end of the day, TeamGate CRM is great for a lot of things, but if you're serious about building and scaling an affiliate program, I recommend checking out alternatives like Referral Candy or Post Affiliate Pro. These tools are purpose-built for affiliate marketing, and you'll get dedicated features like commission tracking, automated payouts, and easy integration with your CRM. Now, here's the bonus. By following the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial of these affiliate management platforms, plus some amazing perks that are only available through this video. So, click the link below to get started today and see how much easier affiliate marketing can be.